Stefan Alfor, S1. Cadet Major Hanvi Hapa, S2. Cadet Major Anthony Culiano, S3. Cadet Major Lunila Castor, S4. Cadet Major Romeo Culipano, S5. Major Leader Cadet Captain Gigi Pisimo. DBC Band Leader Cadet Captain Elijah Ezra Baturiano, Company Commander Cadet Captain John Paul Buhino, Company XO Cadet Captain Ruben Bombales. First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet First Lieutenant Edward Ray Delenya. Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet First Lieutenant Ella May Moreno. Schoolhead Mrs. Arcinia P. Fernandez. Commandant Mr. Rodel A. Benaventura. CAT Trainer Mr. Ariel C. Nitoliano. DBC DLC Bancheno Dr. Juan M. Aldicoa Jr. Major Trainer Mrs. Danieline C. Fernandez. Mrs. Lalin P. Nabos, Assistant Bancheno. Mrs. Dala F. Saruma, Assistant Major Trainer. Entry number 77, Moises D. Fernandez Sr., Pioneer High School. Presentación, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. On to number 77, Moises D. Fernandez, Senior Pioneer High School, Presentación, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 78, Perpetual Help National High School, Perpetual Help, Iriga City. Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Crisbel Lacson, Corps Commander. Cadet Major Chris Ann